Hello everyone, you are so welcome to my YouTube channel Farm for Profit Uganda, where farming meets excellence. If you're still new on this channel, my name is France. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. My returning viewers, I thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything you're doing to take me to another level. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the benefits of using pumpkin leaves in poultry farming. I don't know whether some of you know how these leaves look like. So I'm going to share with you the benefits of pumpkin leaves in poultry. See you there. Before we look at the benefits of pumpkin leaves, let's know how these leaves are being cleaned. You see, they are dirty. So before we turn them to be medicinal, we have to first clean them. If you know you're in poultry farming, most especially those in layers. If you've experienced a drop in egg production, here is the secret of using pumpkin leaves so that you boost your egg production in poultry farming. This is how we do it. Now you see, I've picked the leaves from their stems and we first clean them like this. Even if you're going to use it as sauce, this is what we remove. Even in poultry, we don't give them to our birds. So these are the things, as you can see, that we remove. We have to maintain proper sanitation for our birds. After removing these ones, we shall dip these leaves in warm water so that we kill all the germs that might have come with the leaves. So it depends on the amount of birds you have. Use a blender to blend these leaves. Then after, you put in the drinkers. You add water in the drinkers, or you can use a pestle and pound these. So we are still removing these things, and then we pound for our birds. Give it a trial and see the drop you had in egg production is going to improve very fast. So after removing these things, we are going to pound, or you can use a blender and blend these leaves. Then you add in water for your birds. Those in layers, take it very serious because our aim is to maximize profits and reduce on expenses. So this is a natural remedy to boost egg production. So these are the things that we remove. Even if you're preparing sauce for human consumption, we remove these things. The same applies to our birds. We remove them. And here comes the pumpkin leaves which have been cleaned up. And what we are going to do is to dip them in warm water so that we kill all the germs. Remember, in the garden, there are a lot of germs. There are a lot of bacteria that might again affect our birds. So we are going to dip these leaves in warm water and then we pound. After pounding, we are going to put in our drinkers. those in laying section. These leaves are so crucial. They've worked and they're beneficial in poultry farming as far as egg production is concerned. A France Farm for Profit Uganda. So we are going to pound our leaves. Even if you're to use the blender, you have to first cut them into small pieces and then you put in the blender. But for us, we are going to use a mortar and a pestle. Pound our pumpkin leaves. Our birds began to. Here are our pumpkin leaves after cutting them in small pieces. So we are going to pound them. We are pounding the pumpkin leaves for egg production, boosting egg production in our birds. So this is how the pounded texture looks like. Let's put it aside. Sembuza emabega olabe kino katukwatayo kali akatono. So this is our pounded pumpkin leaves using a mortar, as you can see it. What we are going to do, let's add water. So this is our drinker, and let's begin filtering the pumpkin leaves. So we are going to fill this drinker with water. So this is our herbal remedy for egg boosting in our birds. And if you're there in poultry farming, layers, try this remedy. It will work for you and you will not regret. If you've ever experienced egg reduction in your farm or on your farm, try this remedy. It is natural, it is organic, and it really works. So we are going to put this in the buds. Let's go. So this is done for our buds. Yeah, they're going to enjoy. And so the birds are enjoying and hope for the best after taking this remedy of pumpkin leaves. I thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. Continue watching videos on this channel because they are educative. If you've benefited from this video, kindly share with a friend, give it a thumbs up. Drop something into the comment section. I'll always be getting back to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A lot more is still coming. See you another time. Bye bye.